Detective Mark Lawson had always believed his badge gave him immunity, a shield against consequences that most people couldn't even dream of facing. For years, he had relied on his position to bend the law in his favor, pushing cases through courtrooms, intimidating witnesses, and walking free from mistakes that would ruin anyone else's career. So when he encountered Emily Carter, a young woman accused of a minor infraction, he assumed the courtroom would be just another stage for his authority to shine. He prepared meticulously, confident that his reputation and experience would ensure a swift victory, and even went so far as to underestimate her, dismissing her questions and protests as insignificant. But what he didn't know was that Emily was not just any defendant. She was a former federal prosecutor with a sharp mind, a keen understanding of courtroom strategy, and a memory like a steel trap. From the moment the trial began, she carefully dismantled his every assertion, anticipating his moves and countering them with precision that left the judge and jury leaning forward in disbelief. Witnesses he had thought loyal suddenly faltered under her questioning, and evidence he assumed was airtight crumbled in the face of her detailed analysis. Mark's confidence began to erode, his commanding tone replaced with flustered objections and nervous asides, while Emily maintained calm authority, calmly exposing not only the holes in his case, but also moments of misconduct he had thought were long buried. By the end of the trial, the courtroom, once dominated by his presence, had shifted entirely, the judge reprimanding him for overreach and the jury nodding with clear understanding of the truth. Mark left the courthouse humiliated, realizing too late that his badge had no power over someone who understood the law better than he did. Emily's victory was not just personal, it was symbolic, a reminder that arrogance and privilege could be undone by knowledge, preparation, and integrity. As she walked out with quiet satisfaction, Mark could only reflect on how bringing the wrong opponent into court had completely overturned his sense of control and forced him to confront the reality that no badge, no matter how shiny, could make him untouchable.